You only brought one bike?
Yeah.
Just the one?
Yeah,
okay.
I'll get my trailer next weekend.
Oh yeah? So you're gonna be heading to California soon then? Hey buddy, you enjoying yourself? Hi. Yes sir. Let's freaking go. Let's go.
Run it. I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah. Hit the ground then it go off. Yeah. I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah. I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah. Hit the ground then it go off. Yeah. Yeah. Run it. Ooh. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my.
All right, as you can see, we are here at Euromotos in Daytona, Florida. It's the bike week here that's going on. What you see here is just people that came to the store itself. But bike week, man, we're gonna take a ride. You're gonna see so many bikes here in Daytona, Florida, where they even closed roads down for nothing but the bikes. As you can see, we're over here with Fastlaned D and the Fastlane gang. He got his own tent, you know, right here at Eurocycles, BMW Motard, Daytona in Daytona, Florida. And again, he was handing out some merch earlier. You guys missed it if you didn't show up, and now he's wrapping it up. You guys should have came out. He was giving away some free things and stuff like that, and your chance to meet Fastlaned D. As you can see, it's cloudy. It rained a little bit. I trailed my bike all the way from Miami, and we didn't catch no rain until we got here, and I was unloading the bike. But we, like I said, we're gonna ride around and get some footage. I don't know if D is gonna ride out or not, or go anywhere. Let's go over and get his M1K. You guys saw this already. Let's get some close-up shots on it again, because now, the last time you saw it on my channel, he had the stock exhaust, but now he got the SC project on it.
I want to get you the right size though.
And then the carbon, all that carbon is already starting to blue out here. It looks beautiful with that blue. My next bike, that's what I'm gonna put on. I have a M4 exhaust on mine, slip on. He has the SC project, which I'm gonna get put on my next bike. Fastlane gang sticker again. Rearrange those letters. Let's freaking go, baby. That's Fastlaned D's M1K. I think this is the only one that he brought out. Again, it doesn't do justice unless you see it in person. You got to get to one of his meets. As you can see, his tent is set up. Fastlane gang, fastlanegang.com. He have his merch and everything like that. You only brought one bike?
Yeah.
Just the one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Saying that. I'll get my trailer next weekend.
Oh yeah? So you're gonna be heading to California soon then? I know, bro.
I was talking to PM and I was talking to Motovlogging the other day, man. I need to get out there.
Yeah. Okay.
So we gotta go.
Yeah, definitely.
Are you
definitely.
ready to do that drive?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. How long are you gonna be here? I'm gonna do a loop real quick.
Not much longer. Are you going to the races?
Nah, I'm gonna leave tonight.
Okay.
I'm just gonna ride around and I'm heading back out tonight. So.
I love this man. I love this man. It's nice, dog. It's nice. Sir. Oh, for real? First bike. That's crazy. He's crazy.
Yes, sir. Yes. I saw you looking at one.
1 mil.
Huh?
1 mil.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Road to 1 mil. Getting close. Getting close.
Right,
getting close.
He's a real one, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to Gottem, man.
See?
He's a real one.
That's right, baby. That's right.
Yes. I had to take yesterday's video down, man.
Why?
It is what it is.
Yeah, exactly.
I want you to go on my Patreon, man.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. I'll follow you there too, so you know it. That's right, baby.
That,
okay, I'm gonna come back, but
text me whenever you're gonna do it.
Okay. All right. Cool. so we left the BMW shop with Fastlane D. We're gonna take a, you know, weather, because the weather is looking pretty bad here. So I want to hurry up and get out. As you can see, look at all these motorcycles. I want to hurry up and get out and get some other shots of the city, man. There we go. Yes, sir. Look at the little dog. You got his own little trailer right here. I gotta get a close-up shot of this. All the way from New York. At least the trailer says New York. Got his little puppy in there with him. Beautiful dog, man. And of course, look at this view here in Daytona. Man, it doesn't do justice unless you're here in person, man. I've been in Bike Week before, but you know, it never gets old, especially with this view coming over this bridge, man, heading out towards the beach. D was busy, so he couldn't ride, and plus it got a little rain coming, so he's gonna be here a few days. I'm not. I'm leaving tonight. So, but look at this little puppy, man. Get up to the side of him. Hey, buddy, you enjoying yourself? Hi. Hi. You enjoying yourself? Hi. This weather out here? Yes, sir. All right. I'm not going to do a lot of talking. We come into an area where there's a lot of bikes, and I want to concentrate. Daytona Bike Week 2024. Just like Sturgis. Have you ever been to Sturgis? Daytona Bike Week, man. All the bikers get together, have some fun, and you know, come out here, be safe, and you know, just have some fun. Unfortunately, I won't be able to make the races because I'm leaving tonight. Like I said before, I'm leaving tonight. Got to do some video shooting tomorrow. You guys follow me on IG. You see our mannequin challenge went viral, so we're doing something tomorrow again with a few of the other bikers. My IG is going to be at the bottom. Subscribe and, you know, like, share. Absolutely. So many bikes, man. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Daytona Bike Week. That's right, baby. That's right. You wanted that rev, you got it. Look how loud it is. Look at the exhaust. You see the exhaust on this on both sides coming out. So of course, that probably muffled out my GoPro. Oh, yes, sir. Also, make sure you check out my Instagram because I did post some video from this bike week over there with Fastlaned D, NBT clothing, man, where you can get your discount 15% off just by mentioning Gottem POV. The protective gear from NBT clothing. They also having a bike giveaway. A bike giveaway. You have to go check them out. NBT clothing is going to be in the description below, the link. Go check them out so you can check out that bike giveaway. Check out my Instagram. You'll see the bike on my Instagram. My Instagram is also at the bottom of this page, the bottom of this video, I should say. I always post it anyway, and I think most of you guys follow me. Thank you for the follow on there. I have over 104,000 subscribers there. Still got to build up my YouTube subscribers. I'm on the road to 100,000. I'm at 31,000 right now, as you can see, but I'm on the road for 100,000 YouTube subscribers. Let's go, baby. It's the Gottem crew. That's right, baby. Merch is coming soon. I'm sending out my first merch next week. Only one going out until the website get ready. Only one is going out. One of my loyal subscribers, I promised him that I would send it out and give him the first batch, and he's getting it. He's getting a hoodie and a shirt. All right, we dodged the rain over there. We're gonna head over, try to get over to the speedway over here. All right, that's one of the main strips that you can go down, man, and check out the beautiful bikes and the people that's checking out the bikes as well. And here in Daytona, we're gonna try and get over to the speedway. So while we're going there, let me go ahead and just pause the video right here. Your boy got him, POV. Almost hit that trailer. I didn't know traffic was that backed up. Glad I decided to come in this lane. That wouldn't be good. I already gotta have knee surgery. My knees already bother me. But not while I'm riding, because it's up. Get past this one too. There we go. Let's go, baby. Hope there's no red light camera, because Daytona Beach has a lot of red light cameras, and man, my tag is real. Even though it says Gottem, it's real. Man, I wish I could have stayed a little longer for you guys, man, because I can park, get over there by the speedway, and catch some of the events that's going on that they're having over there. All the motorcycles that are parked, beautiful motorcycles. Man, I'm so sorry, guys. Next year, but I got a lot of stuff coming up. ATL, the Dainese grand opening event, MotoGP over in Texas. You guys gonna see it. Gonna be with the crew, gonna be with the gang over there as well. I know we have a lot of motorcycles out here, but man, it'd be nice if I could meet some of my subscribers. I met some, actually. I did. I take that back. I met some over at Fastlaned D's tent. And of course, all because of the brother there. That's where I'm at. That's why I'm here today, because of Fastlaned D, man. Yeah, I got my own content, but he blasts me a lot, and I appreciate the love. I really do. He doesn't have to do that, but he did, you know. Let's see, could I squeeze up here though? What's up, fellas? What's up? What's up? There we go. Now it's recording. Florida, baby. Let's go. Bike week, bike week, bike week, bike week. Let's go. If I was staying longer, I would be over in there, man. You got to see all the tents and all the trailers, everybody in there, all the events that's going on. The Daytona International Speedway, baby. That's what it's about right there here in Daytona. As you can see, it's plenty of people in there already. But you have to go in there and park your bike and walk around and get to enjoy everything that's going on in there. Look how big that stadium is, man. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I mean, of course, it's a speedway. All kinds of races goes on here. This is your boy Gottem PV. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the Gottem crew, join the Fastlaned gang. Your boy Gottem PV, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Peace out. Ride safe.
Feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my shit.